I'll show you how to highlight uncategorized transactions. Here we have a transaction and it's uncategorized. I'm going to show you how to do this custom formula with conditional formatting in this video. First off, let's go up to Format, Conditional Formatting. I'm going to apply to the whole range, A to F, or whatever your entire range is. We're going to change the format cells if to custom formula, and we're going to create a formula here. We're going to say equals is blank C1. Now that's what it's going to look like. Two things we need to do is we need to add a $ in front of the C so that we only look in the C column no matter which cell we're in. And we also need to make sure that there's some transaction in this B column. So we're going to use the AND formula. We're going to use also not is blank B1. And we're going to add a $ in front of the B to make sure that the B column is filled out. We're going to add a parentheses at the end to fill out that AND. So now we have two arguments within AND. One that says B1 or the B column can't be blank, and the C column needs to be blank. And that's how you highlight uncategorized transactions if you know that there's a transaction in the B column and blank in the C column. There we can also change our color to red. There we go. Click done. And we have conditional formatting that goes all the way to the F column for your bookkeeping. If you're looking to get more out of Google Sheets than you ever have before, subscribe here on Better Sheets on YouTube. Get more automations, more formula combinations, more of everything, and just make better Google Sheets.